Good morning, everybody. Lady B here. Just want to do an update on my soft soap that I made. Now, I refilled it once, but it looks like it's set up again. So, what I'm going to do is add some water to it. And get my little stick blender here. Yeah, it might be good enough to go, I don't know. Probably so. So, there's my thing from the bathroom, and we'll see how this goes. There you go. Looks like that'll do it. Now let's see how it squirts. There you go. I don't know if I'll have to do that every time I need soap or not. Small price to pay, I guess. But I had a compliment the other day. Somebody told me that my soap smelled really good. But anyhow, that's it for this morning. Hopefully I'll get my laptop set up with some kind of video editing program. So if you all wouldn't care, let me know what you use and what you suggest. On my old computer I used Windows Movie Maker, and I've been looking into the Filmora. So if anybody uses that, let me know what you think. And we'll get back to you later. Next video. Y'all take care and stay safe. Bye.